Hey guys, this is Eman. How to improve my base? I got level 4 cannon, level 4 mortar, I mean 2 level 4 mortar and level 7, 3 level 7 cannon and 3 level 7 archer tower. Look, he got 3 archers in the top and 3 level 3 wizard and my one wizard tower is gonna upgrade to level 3 and air defense level 3 and clan castle level 2. How to improve my base? And my walls are black and gold. How to improve my base, guys? Just comment below. Comment below, and if you're just like there and subscribe me. Sorry. And I'm gonna end my wait and my barracks upgrading to level to level 8. I'm gonna get a healer right now. Just comment below to how to improve my base, guys. Thank you and bye bye.